Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Michaels haul. Yay, Michaels. My Michaels finally got the hot buy paper pads in. I'm super excited. I've been seeing all of the Instagram posts and all of the videos that people have been sharing of the flip throughs, and I couldn't wait to put my hands on these paper pads. The first two that I want to share with you are not hot buy paper pads. This first one is called Magical Shimmer and the second one is called Magical Glitter. And I wanted to share these with you. I actually had picked these up a while back, but if you go in today, they are 40% off. This one is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it has a shimmer to all of these colors, and they're all pastel, which are super pretty. So I wanted to share that. And then if you use the 20% off coupon today, then you get an additional savings as well. So definitely take advantage of that. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I loved all the pastel glitter papers in this one. It is thick cardstock. It's not soft. So it does have some texture in case you're wondering, but really, really pretty. Greens, yellows, orange, this really pretty pink, and then it even comes with a darker pink. Look, darker pink, and that is just gorgeous. So I love this, and I cannot wait to play with it. All right, now off to the hot buys. Which ones did I pick up? You guys knew I had to pick up this one. This one's Northern Lights, and of course I'm crazy for purple, so I had to get this one. I love all of the little scenes. It has foiling, and it's just super, super cute. The polar bears, oh my gosh, absolutely adorable. So I'm sure you guys have seen this, but I picked that one up. I also picked up the Sugar Blush. This is one that's similar in color to Santa Baby, but definitely unique in its own way. And it's really, really pretty, and I can't wait to play with this one as well. You know, when they're on sale and you have a coupon, you just take advantage of it, right? Super pretty. I really love that Santa page right there. I think that is absolutely adorable, and I love that gold foiling. So that is Sugar Blush. And then I also picked up Holiday Bash. I thought this one was super cute as well. And I love the little cocktail theme and the cactuses. And I don't know if I'm crazy about unicorns and mermaids, but I don't know. It's different. But I love this page right here. Super cute. And there's the cocktails and then the gold foiling paper. See, the mermaids and the unicorns. I don't know. I'm not crazy about it, but it's cute. Holiday cheer. So really, really fun pad. I love the colors, and it's just really, really fun. So I picked that one up. And then I also picked up the North Pole Gazette. I really love the traditional Christmas colors in this particular pad. I love buffalo check. I love that pattern. And that is why I picked it up, because of that specifically. But it has silver foiling and red glitter. This one is absolutely gorgeous as well. Cut aparts. Really, really fun. Has, again, the red polka dot glitter. More cut aparts. The little trees. They have this one that looks like kind of like a newspaper print. Snowflakes. And then this check pattern right here. I love that. So really, really fun. So I'm glad I picked up that one. And then I also picked up the Holiday Glitz Glitter. And I mean, for less than $5, this is totally worth it. You get all of these different glitter papers. I think you get 4 of each. I love this one. It's so, so pretty. And as you guys know, glitter paper is normally $2 per sheet for a single sheet. So when you take advantage of the sale and get all of these sheets for, you know, about $5, it's definitely a good deal. So that is why I picked that one up, and plus it's Christmas colors. It'll go along with everything. And last but not least, I did pick up Glisten and Glow. And this one is mainly blacks and golds, but I couldn't leave this one there. I had to pick it up. And I'll just do the quick flip through for you. I just love this paper. I just think it's so pretty. I love that page right there. It has even like a countdown. You could do a December daily with this one. I love the black and white. That pretty check right there. Some cut aparts. You can make some Christmas cards. the tiny Christmas trees. I like this one as well. And then you have this black with like the snowflakes that are gold. Adorable. Merry and bright. And I love this pattern right here. So I'm really happy. And there's really pretty Christmas tags that you can cut out. And that is it. So that was the final Christmas pad that I picked up. I think this will do me for Christmas. I have a lot of choices to choose from, so I'm definitely looking forward to playing with that paper. I also picked up this sticker set. It was $5, but I used a Joann 60% off coupon, and then I had the additional 20% off coupon that Michaels had, so I got a good deal. And you get 24 of these stickers, and they're just candy canes, and I just thought they were really pretty, and I thought these would be really cute to stick on my gingerbread house that I'm making, so that's why I picked those up. And then I did pick up some ribbon. I had to get some Halloween ribbon because I'm baking sugar cookies and getting ready to put my boo baskets together, so I needed that for sugar cookies to wrap my cookies. And then I just picked up one Christmas ribbon. I just really like this candy cane striped ribbon, so I picked that up, and it was 40% off today as well. And that is it. That is my Michaels haul. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.